This is how I am taking my trading skills to the next level. I will explore from my backtesting, now moving to paper trading, and why do we need to backtest. I am Soli Abdurrahman. In this video, I just want to share my thoughts on what backtesting is. Why do we need to backtest our strategy before going on paper trading? The psychology and emotional aspects in the system. Why paper trading? And we also share some of my video of how I did my backtests. As most traders know, backtesting is a process used in trading to evaluate the effectiveness of trading strategy by applying it to historical market data. Backtesting allows traders to see how the strategies have performed in the past and also identify the potential strengths and weaknesses of the strategy before applying it on live markets. Why should we backtest our strategy before applying it on paper trading? It allows us to validate our strategy using historical market data. Backtesting helps traders to know if the strategy is profitable in the long run, so traders can be able to build confidence quickly in their strategy. Backtesting also allows traders to get quick experience of how the strategy will work than paper trading, and also understand the execution and weakness of the strategy before applying it on live market. The psychology and emotional aspect in the system. Knowing that your strategy worked in the past and also fits the trading system, it quickly reduce anxiety and build confidence for traders while trading on live market. It also allows traders to quick understand their entry point and execution. So traders should be realistic in their analysis and also resist temptation not to rush through the process. Backtesting is an opportunity for traders to learn quickly from past mistakes and success. So it encourages continuous learning and adaptation, which are essential for long-term success in trading. Strategy. I have to save more than 100 pictures from the strategy of the trades I take backtest. So I used to go back to YouTube and invest to check how my trade went, the success rate and the other side in it. So to learn from it and to also have more experience of what I have done in the past. So the the things I used while I am doing my strategies, I am doing my backtesting was the indicators, the pattern, the level, the time frame, and the conditions of the market. So I used 21 moving average and also 8 simple moving average, Fibonacci retracement, trend lines. This 1, 2, 3, 4. I use them on trending markets. So whenever the market changes from trending to trending market, I only use MACD. And the patterns I need to see while before taking execution of the market on these indicators. They are more than this, but the popular one I used to see and used to make use of is the engulfing and the payback and the levels of the market where I can make a prediction of the trade, and when the indicators match with the levels and also match the candlestick pattern, it really gives us a good confirmation of us to take the trade. And mostly here we can this confirmation can really work on time frames are mostly on weekly time frame, daily time frame, 4 hours and 1 hour, but I mostly use daily and 4 hours. and I did top-down analysis with these four time frames to see what is going on in the market. Is the market on an uptrend, on a downtrend, on a range bond, or on a choppy market, or on a choppy market? So whenever I see a market on a choppy market, I know that I don't have to do anything on the choppy market. And also Fibonacci retracement, whenever I see maybe like bullish engulfing or pulling back on an uptrend or on a downtrend of the market. So while I see the bullish engulfing on maybe 0.6 moving average or 0.5 moving average, I see it as a confirmation that it's likely the market is going back to its way, maybe on an uptrend or on a downtrend. So that is how I make use of these indicators, pattern levels, and time frame, also conditions of the market to make prediction of where the market is going. So, and these are not really 100% assurance of you getting the trade every day, but that is why our risk management is very important, and we need to be very patient of what the market is doing and know what the market is doing, because sometimes we see fake out, where you fake out, I also trade fake out, there is liquidity. Only these two things make some traders see the market like, wow, this strategy is not really working. But sometimes the fake out really work and the liquidity really works also. So you have to be patient while trading to see what the market is doing. And I see that mostly when I was doing my back test, I used to follow my mind. But when I keep on backtesting and I leave my laptop to go and sit down somewhere, think of the wrong thing I was doing, then I see that no, I don't need to follow my mind. I need to follow the trend. I need to follow the market. So that is when the mindset of losing trades started changing little by little. And I know maybe when I go back on my paper trading to see how the results will be with this strategies, then I will move on to my real money account again. So these are how I just make use of this strategy to base the trades. By understanding and managing these psychological and emotional factors, traders can use backtesting as a powerful tool to refine their strategy and also improve in their trading performance. Why paper trading? Paper trading is a valuable tool for traders, especially new traders, or trying to build or test a new strategy, mostly after confirming if the strategy works on historical data. So we need to test it on live markets before risking real money. Paper trading builds confidence and discipline by stimulating real market conditions to be able to refine our strategies on live markets without any financial risk. Paper trading helps traders to be prepared for emotional aspects of trading, such as losses and emotional stress. What I am trying to make traders understand is that backtesting is actually one of the important steps in our trading journey. It builds confidence and realistic expectations about strategies. Most of the successful traders today are also passed through this process before getting to the 1% we want to. There are a lot of strategies out there. All we just need to do is to learn from it and master it. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching this content, and make sure you subscribe on our YouTube channel.